Hello and welcome to Affinity. Curves can be used for all sorts of things, and one of them is you can do color balancing with it. So see what we can do here. So let's add a curves layer and let's bring this up. And the way we can do this, we can play around with the brightness, but overall let's just go straight to the RGB. We can do it with CMYK or LAB, usually RGB or CMYK, which are kind of inverts one another. So let's go to reds and start that off. And where's that going to go? Well, going up here is going to, that's brightening things a bit. Maybe down a bit. We can always come back to these. Yeah, that's taking a bit of that red out of there. Let's put cyan in. You take that because RGB, CMY. And so red's going to go up here, cyan's down here. As you add one, you take away the other one. So let's go to green. And what can we see of green here? No, that's not it. Let's go down here. Is the darks, do they need to be pushed up a bit? Maybe a bit. Yeah. Literally, it's just a matter of playing with this. Often when you look at a whites, you can see, so you look for the whites and say, what color do I want those to be? When they're lit with other lights, of course they might be another color, but things like this, and you just literally play with this. So let's go down to blue, and what's this going to do? Oh, it's pushing up, it's going to be a bit too much. Maybe down a bit here, but we need to keep a bit more on the lights, so just up a little bit there. There we go. You can play around with this forever, but that's the kind of thing you do. You just play with the RGB, each of those, tweak them up and down, play, look at the darks, look at the lights, look at the midtones, and push them up and down accordingly. You can use the picker as well, of course. So there we go. That's just is doing some color correction and balancing color with the curves. Thank you very much for watching.